Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our dining, outdoor, and bathroom linen services and find it useful.
Reputation and trust. Sudsies has a long-standing reputation in South Florida for delivering top-quality cleaning services. Yet owners can trust that their valuable marine fabrics will be handled with the same care and attention that Sudsies is known for across all of its services, ensuring reliable and excellent results every time. 5. Personalized service and attention to detail. Sudsies prides itself on delivering personalized service that meets the unique needs of each client. For yacht owners, this means that every piece of marine fabric is treated with the highest level of care, ensuring that it looks and feels as good as new. Sudsies' team is dedicated to making sure each client is satisfied, reflecting their commitment to excellence in service. 6. Decades of experience. With over 2 decades of experience since its founding in 1996, Sudsies brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to every project. This extensive experience ensures that yacht owners receive the best possible care for their fabrics, whether they are dealing with routine maintenance or more complex restoration needs.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.